All right, you guys, this is the first night on this Nova Scotia trip. Stayed at the Micro Hotel. What's the name of this town? It's Maryland something. Mayville, Maryland, maybe. That's what I'm riding on, you guys. Old Faithful. Getting it done. There's Pepper. There's Sandman.
Good morning.
We getting after it, man. The next stop, don't nobody know where it is. As long as it's up the road some damn well. Got a great start, about 400 something miles. Yesterday, give you a look at my setup here. And shout out to Herky 80. Look where y'all got y'all stickers at. SS Goldwing. That's what I'm on, you guys. Didn't ride the Harley, but that ride is coming soon. Stay tuned for more updates. We outside.
Slappy Adventure to Nova Scotia.
Hey guys, this is Pepper again with Slappy Adventures, headed to Nova Scotia.
Slappy Adventure. I'm on a Slappy Adventure. I'm on a Slappy Adventure. When I'm on them two wheels, ain't no telling where I end up. Slappy Adventure. I'm on a Slappy Adventure. I'm on a Slappy Adventure. When I'm on them two wheels, ain't no telling where I end up. Slapping on my clutch, rolling on my throttle, on the custom seat, straight from Breezy Riders. I didn't do no trade, the wings still in the garage. Stopped off in the smoky just to cop me a home. First thing I do is make it count for me, even if it mean breaking the warranty. Gotta get my shots right, I'm a big boy. Gotta pipe it out, feel it, hear that rumble noise. I'm on two-wheel breeze, feel the peace, set the destiny, and seat times what ahead of me. They call me Slappy, let me take you on an adventure. I ride spring, summer, fall, even winter. I be camping out for a few hours. I like to hit it, feel that horsepower. I always shut the deuce when I'm on the glide. I don't care club or not, just shut up and ride. Slappy Adventure. I'm on a Slappy Adventure. I'm on a Slappy Adventure. When I'm on them two wheels, ain't no telling where I end up. Slappy Adventure. I'm on a Slappy Adventure. I'm on a Slappy Adventure. When I'm on them two wheels, ain't no telling where I end up.
Alright, you guys, we are leaving the Micro Hotel somewhere in Maryland. Micro Hotel. You on this Sandman?
Yes, sir.
Sandman is on the ones and twos. Put in, what I say, 400 by 60 miles yesterday. And we had a storm that was on our ass. We got in front of it and stayed in front of it, thank God. Make sure we are heading the right damn direction. Harrisburg, up the road. How you feeling, Sandman?
And I'm feeling refreshed.
He said refresh.
Brand new.
Brand new. Well, I tell you what, boy. You were damn sure sleeping good. I was a little jelly. Damn that damn brother sleeping good over there. God almighty. I went to sleep fast, but I got to get up periodically to use the bathroom. You start hitting them damn 50s, boy, holding that water in you. I can hold it all day. As soon as I get on my damn back and lay down, it's like every 2 hours you gotta go to the bathroom.
Oh yeah. That's when your body on autopilot be like, nah, we ain't doing this. You do this all day if you want to, but we ain't doing this at night. We in control now.
Yeah. And when you have a dream that you got to go to the bathroom, it's too late. You done fucked up.
Hey, I believe everybody had that dream.
Oh yeah.
Everybody done had that dream.
When when I'm in the dream and feel like I'm in a dream, I'll go ahead and wake up because I know what's going to happen in a few minutes. Lord, have
I
mercy.
ain't gonna let it trick me. I
No,
ain't gonna let it trick me. I'm gone. I got
it,
to get up.
it might have tricked me when I was in my teenage, 8 years old or something like that. But as a grown man, uh-uh.
Oh yeah, man.
Who has a dream about using the bathroom
Oh my goodness.
outside in the grass,
Oh
in the
man.
open wind, having a pissing contest with
Everybody.
your family man? Who can piss the longest?
Yeah, everybody cool. Everybody cool. Till
Yeah,
all of a sudden you get warm and nobody else is.
yeah.
You the only one get heated up.
That's some country living. Let's see
Yeah.
how far you can piss. I used to get my cousins like that all the time. I bet I can piss past that damn fence. They say you can't do it. So I step way back, piss. I say you step right here, see how far you can get. And then his damn ass to start pissing on, but it'd be an electric fence. That motherfucker, he be,
Woo! That's all it takes.
he'll be walking around with a hard on for 2 days. That's that instant Viagra.
Instant.
Uh,
Instant.
all right, we getting after, boy. We on the interstate, ain't nothing to see here. I'll definitely be back when there's something to see. Pennsylvania, you guys. Woo-hoo!
Hey man, you wouldn't fall.
All right, here we go. And we're gonna start heading that other way. Start cutting up. A lot of trucker traffic out here, boy. As they should be on the weekdays. Working. Come on in there.
Yes,
Yep.
sir.
That's
Yeah,
right.
look at that one there. That's
That's,
nice right there.
that's for you, rollover. Woo! I like that.
Oh, yeah, that's nice.
I'm gonna tell you what I like the most about all three of them. Can you tell me?
Well, they all old. Oh, I like this Chevrolet right here.
Man,
This
love it.
Dang, that's nice right there.
I'm
Yeah,
gonna tell you the best thing about these that I love.
what's that?
They driving them.
Oh, yeah, man. And they ain't trailer. That's right.
They driving.
And up to speed.
Yes,
They
sir.
ain't
Oh,
creeping.
yeah.
Oh, man.
Oh no, yeah, they ain't playing with it.
Yeah.
Woo, that bad boy.
Yeah, that was nice.
Yeah, I love to see that. That's a shout out to my co-worker Rollover. He got a real nice, I think it's a 67. Forgive me, Rollover, if I got it wrong, 69, something like that. But he did all the work on that thing. He didn't paint it, but he did all the body work. It looked like a damn Hot Wheel toy.
Oh, man.
Oh, we're clean. It's clean. We rolling out here. We on 81 northbound. We probably about 60 miles from Hartford, Connecticut, headed that way.
Exit 143 is some gas.
I was trying to find it. It's a one. Okay, that's a truck stop. Okay. It's a 1.9, but it's an ugly 1.9.
It's converted.
You see the way around that back up?
Turn left, then take the first right.
You did see the way around it? Gas at this 1.9 is 366. Figure we gas up before if we decide we're gonna go around it or go in the traffic jam. Ain't but a 9-minute delay, but yeah, let's hit the back road while we can. We might just go through it. Nah, you guys leaving the 1.9. First stop, we got a little backup we're gonna have to deal with. Says about a 9-minute. We was gonna try to go around it, but we're just gonna go ahead and power on.
Oh, stop. You know, we're to a point where, you know, there's
getting orders every day, but we're getting orders pretty much every day online.
And I'm loving it. Because I'm used to it. I already knew what it was gonna be like, but just having it on the seat and not the pad.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, man. Good gracious of mercy. Because I rode that damn saddleman seat on that Harley, and I deal with sciatica, but my sciatica ain't bothered me in a long time, boy. It festered my ass up, boy. I said, nah. I took that thing right back. I said, nah. I said, even if I put a breezer right, you still want the seat to feel good.
Yeah.
But, and then put a breezer rider on it to make it feel even better.
Right, exactly. Because the breezy rider just changes the shape of it. So if it's not, it doesn't put you in the right position, you need something that's going to put you in the right position.
Absolutely. So I'll find me a Mustang, or I don't know, I'll find something, then I'll let you do your magic tricks. But I got a couple of other guys that's supposed to be hitting you up too, so I told them, boy, y'all better get them while they hot. They're coming off the shelf now.
Yes.
And it's riding season.
It is. It's hot. It's the time you want them.
It's the time you want them, man. All right, you guys, we've been running this 81 for quite a while. We get ready to switch over, hit this 84. Start making this direct line towards the east.
Take exit 187 on the right to I-84 East, then keep left.
That's for my man Rollover that likes to have Pacifics. He likes to know Pacifics about things. And that's for F6B's dad.
Keep left to I-380, then keep right.
Been a great day, nice and cool outside today for July. It says 79, but when we got started, it was around 70.
Be in either of the two right lanes.
We are directly gonna miss New York City, go towards boom, boom, boom. What is it over there? We're going to Boston, headed towards Boston. Pick up at 95, and we gonna smoke it. We may, just may be in Maine. But we gonna ride till we get tired, and then we gonna do it again tomorrow. Interstate 84, eastbound. Let's see if I got a pretty sign I can show you. Eastbound down, road it up and road it. They say they, how that song go? We gonna do what they can't say can't be done. We got a long way to go and a short time to get there. Come on, Slappy, watch your Slappy run. Yee-hoo. I should have played my Slappy adventures. I'm on a Slappy adventures.
Slappy adventure. I'm on a Slappy adventure. I'm on a Slappy adventure. When I'm on them two wheels, ain't no telling where I end up. Slappy adventure. I'm on a Slappy adventure. I'm on a Slappy adventure. When I'm on them two wheels, ain't no telling where I end up. Slapping on my clutch, rolling on my throttle, on the custom seat, straight from Breezy Rider. I didn't do no trade, the wings still in the garage. Stopped off in the smoky just to cop me a home. First thing I do is make it count for me, even if it mean breaking the warranty. Gotta get my shots right, I'm a big boy. Gotta pipe it out, feel it, hear that rumble noise. I'm on two-wheel breeze, feel the peace, set the destiny, and seat times what ahead of me. They call me Slappy, let me take you on an adventure. I ride spring, summer, fall, even winter. I be camping out for a few hours. I like to hit it, feel that horsepower. I always chuck the deuce when I'm on the glide. I don't care, club or not, just shut up and ride. Slappy adventure. I'm on a Slappy adventure. I'm on a Slappy adventure. When I'm on them two wheels, ain't no telling where I end up. Slappy adventure. I'm on a Slappy adventure. I'm on a Slappy adventure. When I'm on them two wheels, ain't no telling where I end up.
Ain't no toll booth. I guess they just gonna have to send mine in the mail if you can read my tag. Yeah, I was thinking about you. Come on, Sam, man.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, GPS trying to talk and all at the same time.
Turn right at the stop sign. Then take the first right.
Hey, third gas stop, you guys. He's one of these funky
Turn
daggum.
right at the stop sign.
Know which one we want.
It's perfect timing.
Go over to 7-Eleven. Ugh. Be easy off, easy on.
That's right.
Well, get over here by the state trooper, why don't
Yeah, make a friend. Make a friend.
we? Damn.
Well, it's awful muggy out here now.
You muggy?
I think.
I don't feel too bad. See what the gas prices up in New York is. 356, 353. All right, we leaving this doggone 7-Eleven from this gas stop, and I've just been informed that we are about 200 miles. Yeah, 8, 9, 10. We are 200 miles shy of an iron butt. If we get it done by 5 o'clock. I'm looking at my odometer now, Pep, and you right. We got 800. I got 811 miles. Shit. I ain't even trying, yeah. And I did an iron butt in the butt burner coming from California, going down and back. Oh, you got charging? You're doing too much begging. You're doing too much begging. Y'all see me throwing apple cores on the side of the road. Now you might see me throwing chicken bones on the side of the road. that new bird back there, that new bird, that's where Orange County Choppers is at. Yeah. We spent the Orange County Choppers is over here. In California is Jesse James, West Coast Choppers. You would think it Orange County be over there, but it's here. The Tuttles over here. Yeah. Yeah. Welcome to New York, bro. What am I-
Turn right on Route 52. Then take the first right.
Route
Turn right on
52.
Bloomingtonville Road. Then take the first left.
All right, you guys, that was a good
Turn
stop.
left on I-84 West.
Right here, what you get when you go out north, y'all. Look at all that over there. Huh? I ain't gonna say nothing though, cause it could be on my side at any time. We done had a couple of backups. Got a lot of people on this side of the world. A lot of people. I really enjoy going out west. But here's the lineup. Got Pepper up front on a 2023 Honda Gold Wing Bagger model. And got Sam in on 2015. This will be his longest trip. There we go. See, God almighty, look at that right there on both sides. It's his longest trip, pulling the trailer any otherwise. This might cut into our daggum iron butt. But we ain't seek out for no iron butt, but We may stumble up on our iron, but who knows? Unofficial. Ain't nothing to see here. All right, you guys, look at this. Ah. This is why I drive at night, y'all, to get through all this foolishness. But we get ready to put us another doggone state in the back pocket. Welcome to Connecticut. Woo! Ooh, excuse me. Welcome to Connecticut. For real, I thought I'd bring you guys on here for some of this. Waterbury, huh? Thought that looked pretty damn cool. All right, you guys, we are still, man, stop and go, stop and go. Every major intersection. Whew. There's a sign to Boston. That's where we're trying to get to. Probably gonna catch hell over there too. I'm not real sure what the name of this town is, but whatever it is, it's new. I guess it's New Haven.
New Haven. Nah, it's Hartford. Hartford, Connecticut.
Hartford, okay. I buy that. If you say so, homie.
Got it.
Yeah, Hartford's a pretty major city. No wonder it's all jammed up. We're going to run the outside of Boston, but doggone, it's still going to be, hopefully we'll get on the outside and ain't got to worry about it. But whatever it is, daggone it.
That's a fact.
These are the situations that you get into. You got to know how to roll with the punch. You got to go.
That's all it is.
If you're worried about traffic and daggum, you ain't going to go nowhere.
Ain't going to go nowhere. Can't.
Just run around in your own backyard and don't go nowhere. I'm going to go out here and see what I can see. Uh-oh. Got a tunnel.
Yeah.
Got a tunnel, you guys. You know I got to do it. I hate to damn blow the horn. Somebody think I'm being an asshole.
Oh, you rev the engine a little bit.
If I was on my Harley out there and hit the rev limiter. I ain't gonna do it. I don't want to startle nobody. He yanked that damn thing in front of me. I did that one time. Them kids was doing their arms like, oh, look at that mural up there. That's cool. They were doing their arms like, blow the horn. Yeah. I laid down that damn horn. They was riding with Grandma. Grandma, she went all over the damn place. I said, oh, shit, Grandma, my bad. That's the name of the town right there? Southbridge? I don't know what the name of the town is, but we trying to do a bypass of a backup on the interstate. But it's a amazing looking town back here. Southbridge. But they got some damn good pizza in places like that. You know what it is. We in Massachusetts, you guys. I missed that damn sign. Alright, you guys, this is us trying to diverge from that hour and shit, it was 108 minutes back up. Trying to get to Boston. Damn. If there's ever a good place for backup, Boston would be it. Oh, we on some back roads, and I'm proud of it. But go around this backup, sitting all them down, stop and go, stop and go, stop and go. Whew. People wonder why I travel at night. Till I get to where I'm going so I can see some things. I done been up through here. I know how it is driving trucks. Ain't no telling what you're gonna run into. But we out here getting after it, doggone. This is part of it. All right, you guys, we finally made the 495 northbound around Boston to loop. Just jumped off 290 eastbound, 495 northbound, and GPS is saying we
Exit 32B on the left to I-495 north.
It's saying we got a little bit of a backup, and why not? Been having them all damn day. At 5 o'clock rush hour, it's to be expected. Woo! This is all part of the Slappy adventures. Woo! Sometimes them adventures be a little rough, but that's what makes you stronger when you go through these trials and tribulations. It make me think when I come back, the time is thing where I can slide through this bad boy while these yahoos is sleeping. Sneak through the damn midnight oil hour on their ass and come out on the other end. What y'all think about it? All right, you guys, another friendly update in the world of traffic jams on Slappy Adventures. Woo! Here is another traffic jam. We are on, what are we on? 295 northbound. Yeah, we got another one, y'all. Uh, uh, uh. Like F6B Adventure says, we're having fun. All right, you guys, I believe we about ready to put another state behind this here. Whew. I think was that Connecticut? I don't know. Where the hell we just came from that state? That was a rough one, y'all. Stop and go, stop and go. My Lord have mercy. Backups after backups, but it's working hours. Summertime. Uh, what do you expect? That ain't gonna stop the party though. That's just making it work a little bit longer. I'm kind of glad we went ahead and left a day early and got a jump on that damn thing. But boy, we've been way down south still. Trying to get on up here in the main or close to it. We ought to be maybe 300 to 400 miles away. All right, here we go. This is the road we've been looking for a while, Sam, man.
That's right, man. Finally made it.
My Lord, let's hope it's daggum. Thank. Let's hope it is what it is. It's been a long time I've been on this side of 95, y'all. We finna get on 95 northbound.
Going further up.
North of Boston. It has been a day.
Absolutely. A good day.
Yeah, it's been a day. It's been every day good, but it's been a day. A very trying day, but that goes with it. Gotta paint him a picture, a real picture, because every day is not all fruits and berries and just goes along smoothly. You got hick 'em ups, you got back 'em ups.
Oh man.
As long as they know F 'em ups, we doing good. But yeah, there's backups and it's tourist season.
That's right.
It's tourist season. Shit, got a lot of people around here traveling in the way. They probably say the same thing about us.
Yep.
Oh my. Let's see. That's a welcome center. Maybe we're gonna get a state line now. See if I got damn $2. Can I pay for two?
Oh, darn, you got me?
He is towing. Okay, so he's gonna be 225. You're 225. You're two.
You got it?
I got it. Yeah, you 225.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you kindly. Go ahead, Sam, man. Oh, I got it. Come on. I didn't get a receipt, damn. Oh, hell, are we in Maine?
Man. About to go over some water.
I think we in Maine. Hell, I don't know. Shit, we at mile marker damn 7. Oh, yeah, hell, we at mile marker 1. Exit 1. We been to find that, damn. I gotta we get ready to go over a nice little bridge, y'all.
Man.
Woo! Well, we putting in some work these last 2 days. I like it.
Hey, man, that's beautiful.
I like it. Yep. Welcome to Maine. Stay live. Woo-hoo!
Man.
We made it. We in Maine. We got a long way to go. This ain't nowhere. We still about 700 miles. Nah, we might not be that far. Maybe 5.
Yeah, I'm thinking maybe 5.
All right, you guys, I reckon we're going to get us some gas or something.
Keep left to I-95, then take the ramp ahead.
Kick a tire or something, boy. We've been damn, that last gas
Take
stop,
the ramp ahead.
we didn't do no whole lot of we didn't do no whole lot of miles. We did a whole lot of clutching, though. Wrestling with damn traffic. Good God almighty. But we are in Maine, historical York. York, Maine. I guess we're going to get us some gas. York Beach, 3 miles. Oh, snapples. Don't get me near no beach, Pepper. I'm going to go in now. I'm going in. I'm going to damn have clothes and all on when I do it.
Oh, there's like a gas station right down there.
Okay. Oh. Huh? Nah, it's fine. I squeeze beside you right there. Oh, let's get this $3.59 a gallon gas. All right, you guys, we leaving one of the gas
Turn
stops.
left, then take the first right. Turn right on Blue Star Memorial Highway, then take the second left.
We're going to try to crank out another 100. Another daggone gas stop anyway. Get on up into Maine.
Turn left at the traffic light.
Whatever we do today, we will be in Nova Scotia tomorrow, and that will be Friday. So whatever we do tonight,
In 1/4 mile, turn right on I-95 North.
we won't have to do tomorrow. So we'll probably start enjoying Nova Scotia sometime in the, probably around lunch, 1 o'clock, depending on what time we get started. This has been a
Turn
day.
right on I-95 North.
This has been a day, do you hear me? There you go, roll over. Hannaford, on part of food line. Absolutely. Like I wanted to see that. Come on, we still on 95 in Maine.
Well, to get you up to speed, Hannaford and Food Line is up under the same umbrella. So they're called Hannaford up north, Food Line down south. Anyway, this is where we decided to shut it down in this town. This is the route that we took, put in a good hard days of riding. Had quite a few backups, but that's to be expected in major cities. We maneuvered around it, got it done. It is part of the adventure. Check out the route. Stay tuned for the next episode. Please like, share, and subscribe. That really helps my channel grow and helps me to keep putting out these old videos. Goodbye.
hit that like bell, baby. Share and subscribe. This is the dude. You want to be on his channel.
Shit!
Slappy Adventures. Subscribe and comment.
And Brother Blue, the New York Slabber,
New York Slapper.
is
Yes!